Writefull for Overleaf offers the best academic language feedback and widgets, right within your LaTeX source code. Click the red underlinings to see Writefull's suggestions. The percentages show you how confident Writefull's language models are. This can help you decide if you accept the suggestion or maybe want to reconsider. The card also shows you the full sentence with all suggestions. You can choose to accept or reject all at once, or go through them one by one. Writefull for Overleaf has been tailored to LaTeX. It won't interfere with your syntax and will give you good feedback on your sentence, even if it's LaTeX dense. You can select the level of editing here. If you activate full edit mode, you get feedback from Writefull's latest and most advanced language models. These go beyond the typical language check, rewriting phrases and sentences where needed. The extension also has some useful widgets. The Paraphraser paraphrases your sentences at 3 levels. The title generator automatically generates a title for your work based on your abstract. The language search gives you stats on how words and phrases are used in the literature. The sentence palette lets you browse over 600 commonly used academic phrases and words. Download the extension from Writefull.com. If more people at your institution use Writefull for Overleaf, know that we also offer licenses for groups or institutions. Just contact us at support@writefull.com.